This video I will guide you how to insert degree Fahrenheit symbol in Word document. So for this you need to click on the insert and on the right side you will see that equation. Click on the equations and drop down this symbols menu, and here you can see that. Click on that and here it is. So another way is that you need to put the backslash and type DEGF and hit the space bar. It will convert the degree Fahrenheit symbol. So moreover, Microsoft Word has a specific two-step shortcut to create the degree circle. For this you need to press the Control key and press the Shift key and the @ key, which is on the two above, and you need to click on that and immediately hit the space bar and it will convert the degree symbol. And now type F. So another shortcut code is, if your keyboard has a numeric keypad on the right side, then hold down the Alt key and type 0176 on the numeric keypad and release the Alt key to see the degree symbol and then type F. So another reliable way to get the extract symbol by converting a code, you need to type 00B0 and press Alt X altogether and now type F and you can see that. Another way is that you need to click on the insert and click on the symbol and click on more symbols. And in the font section you need to select the normal text, and in the subset you need to select the Latin 1 supplement. This is the Latin 1 supplement, and in the character code you need to type 00B0. Then your cursor will automatically move to the degree symbol. You just need to click insert and close it and now type F. So with this way you can easily insert degree Fahrenheit symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.